Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Life Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas how to make $301 in 10 minutes. That's what we are gonna talk about today. And also, I'm gonna let you know one stock trade that I did during my travel. I believe that stock could run up more, so make sure you watch the video until the end. So if this is your first time to Restart Insider, welcome. We talk about stock investing, stock trading, and real estate investing, and how to make money as a realtor. So if you are really interested in making money and succeed in life, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you do not miss any of our videos. And you can get free stocks and audiobooks in the description and comment at the end of the video. So today, stock. I really like this stock. This is a speculative stock. So basically, you don't want to be putting your money in this stock for a long time. But I'm thinking about making it into a growth stock that I can hold for 1 year or more. So I'm still thinking about it. So if I change my mind, I'm gonna put it on this YouTube channel. So yeah, so if you want to know more about stocks, make sure you comment below which stocks you would like to talk about, and guess the stock, what stock it is. This is a aviation, the aviation vehicle. So basically, this can transport people into, like it will be just like area vehicles. You can travel. So this gonna be life-changing technologies, just like EV, electric vehicles. So this could be like the next NIO stock, or maybe even the Tesla. So if you know, write your comment below. So I'm gonna give you a hint. This is a Chinese stock. So they already did demonstrations, in public. So investors were really excited about it. And also public officials were also very excited about it. So just imagine if you can travel by the air affordably. It's not just like taking a flight. Like taking the bus, like sci-fi movie. You see people traveling by air, like sci-fi movie, that would change the transportation a lot. I mean, especially with so much population that we have and so much traffic. So that's Neo. No, that's not Neo. So, but I think this could be the next Neo, the next Neo, and it's called Ehan Holdings Limited. It was based in Guangzhou, China. So it was founded in 2014 and in China. So what do? They design, develop, manufacture, sell, and operate area vehicles, autonomous area vehicles. So just think about it. Now we have autonomous driving, autonomous taxi network that's gonna be coming up by Tesla. So Tesla stock has been like crazy. But just imagine if this company successfully managed to come up with autonomous area vehicle. They already have the products. They already did the demonstration. That's gonna change the industry. That's gonna be a new industry. So they are creating a new industry, in aerospace and defense, and in sectors industrial. They have a full-time employees of 240. So from by the time I noticed it and sent out the alert to my Patreon group, it was on January 15th. It was only $40. Now it's already $77.2. So congratulations to my trading and Palladium patrons, who got the alert on January 19, 2021. So I got two patron groups. So this is a patron group for another channel. So I recently created a new patron group for this Richard Insider as well. So this is taken from another group, but I posted the alert almost the same time as that I posted on the other group on January 19th. Or in the morning, I posted this alert. Hey, this stock has been coming up, and the trade alert 12. I bought it. So as soon as after I bought it, I posted it. Hey, I'm waiting to hold a few days or weeks. So this could be like the next hot Chinese stock, like Neo. So they made a set area vehicle. So what happened? What happened was that I sold this stock on the same day. I made about only $301, 18 cents in about just 10 minutes. I I invested only about maybe $1,600. You don't need to have a lot of money to make money in stock markets. So if you look at it, I bought it at $48 and $47. I spent very little money because I was traveling, so I did not want to get distracted by trading. So I bought it, I sold it. It just took me about 10 minutes. Of course, I bought it in the morning, then I sold it in the afternoon. But the time it took me to place the trade and notice the stock and place the trade and sell it back, it just took me 10 minutes. Of course, I posted the alert to my Patreons group, two different Patreons. Then it took me about an hour or so. So yeah, it's like really quick, $301 in about 10 minutes. So why am I sharing this to you as a Richard Insider audience? Because I believe this stock could go higher. So this is a stock that we should keep in our watch list. This is gonna be like the next NIO. So you ask me, hey, how about NIO? What do you think about NIO? Hey, I posted about NIO in a different Patreon before I create this Patreon. So you might not see this in this Patreon, Richard Insider Patreon, but I posted this on a different Patreon on January 4th. So short-term growth stock alert. Bought this EV stock momentum play. Why did I buy it? I told them because I'm planning to ride the uptrend momentum. My intended holding period is a few days, a few weeks. So what happened? 7 days later, it jumped to 64.78 January 11. So it was on January 4, and then January 11 jump 21% jump in 7 days. So congratulations on trading and Palladium patrons who got this my alert and who bought this stock. So if you're really interested in what I buy, what I sell, and you can join the Gold Patron. It's for growth and dividend stocks. You're gonna know my philosophy is that when I buy a stock, I believe that this stock can go double or triple in the next 5 years. So these are the growth. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but when I buy this, I'm very confident about the stock. So as soon as I buy it, I let my members know about it. And Trading Patron is very speculative stock, so I rarely hold more than 1 day. So I buy the same day, I sell the same day. So you're gonna know what I buy on the day trade, and you're gonna know my swing trade, and you're gonna know my momentum trade as well. And also you can send a message to me directly. Don't send it to social media. So because I pay more attention to the members, because I got a lot of messages on social media. So I want to create a very special channel for my students and members to reach out. So you are gonna get the benefits of Saver Patron the same. If you join Gold Patron, Trading Patron. Saver Patron is for dividend stock. So some people ask me, hey, why don't I join Gold Patron and Trading Patron at the same time? But if you join, it's going to cost you $104. So I want to create money saving for you. So I created the Palladium Patron. So that's going to save you $16 per month. It's only $88 a month. So you can know my growth stock alert, day trade, swing trade, momentum trade, dividend stock. So also you can reach out to me on the Patreon app as well. Benefits of Saver Patron, Gold Patron, Trading Patron app. So you can get these. So this is gonna be the best value for you. So if you are interested in joining, you can click the link below as well. bid.ly/I Patreons in the limited space. So yeah. So I will see you inside. So trading requires special skill just like investing. So in my experience, those who are good at investing get better at trading much easier. So that happens when preparation meets opportunity. So study hard so that you are always ready. I've got a lot of videos on the channel, so you can study your YouTube channel as well. So yeah, all investment have risk. You can make a lot of money or lose all your money. This is only for entertainment purpose only, and not investment advice to buy or sell any stock. So do your own independent research before buying or selling any securities. So you don't need to have hundreds of thousands to make money in stock markets. I started with only $10 per day, only a few hundreds, 1,000, a few thousand. So you can start the same way. So once I made money in stocks, that I use that extra profit to pay down my down payment for my first house. So that's how you get rich. So there are only 3 ways you can get rich. One is set up a business. Number 2 is to invest in real estate. These two takes a lot of time, a lot of money as well. So stock investing is the only thing that you can get rich part-time. You keep your job, you do it as long as you have a phone or computer or internet access, that you can start trading, invest it. But don't expect it to succeed right away, because it took me years. So I'm giving you all my 10 years of experience and my education, my economics and finance education. So everything you're getting is everything like literally for free. So yeah, so useful links in the description. Stock membership clubs. Also, you can get free audiobooks in the description also, and you can get 4 free stocks during the promotion periods. If you want to become a real estate agent and want to take the license course, the link is down below as well. And the best credit cards are also below as well. If you're paying more than $15 a month for your cell phone plan, you're paying too much. I pay only $15 per month. So free travel credits is all the great stuff in the description. So check it out. So if you want to reach out to me, the best way is comment in the YouTube video. Then after that, reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook. So comment below where you're watching from, your city, state, and countries. I would really love to know you. And subscribe YouTube, like CFAST Facebook, and follow Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.